Ooh,
That's nice.
Nice.
I'm gonna have one exfoliated, depuffed, hydrated hand right
do you
now.
want this?
Yeah. No, I want you to have it. I want you to live your life.
Sharzad?
Yes, Susan?
What comes to mind when I say subscription box?
FabFitFun, you know, they've been around forever.
I feel like there are tons of subscription boxes out there now, but I feel like FabFitFun is one of the OGs. They've been around for a long time, and they've really evolved into more than just what they started as. I feel like it was like beauty and wellness in the beginning, and now it's just lifestyle as a whole.
Susan, why do you ask me about boxes?
Well, because first off, you guys have been asking us to do unboxings, and for a while we were kind of like, why? But we wanted to know, is it worth the value? So we partnered with FabFitFun on their spring box to show you guys what's inside. We have zero idea, and we're gonna show you.
I can't believe this is our first unboxing. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Woo!
All right, first let's talk about the box. It's seasonal.
Yes, it's $49.99. You get it 4 times a year. But what's inside is over a $200 value. Ooh la la.
And of course, obviously, you guys, we got you a code because that's what we do.
That's
we get
what
you
we
guys
do.
codes. So you get $10 off if you use the code SASS. The other thing I find interesting is these are full-size products. It's beauty, lifestyle, wellness. So it's a bunch of different stuff. You get fashion even. It's kind of cool, and it's already much bigger than I expected it to be. I always think of these subscriptions being like samples.
Where you use it like once and you're like, cool, I have no idea
was
if that
awesome.
worked.
Thank you.
But you know, the anticipation is killing me. I want to see what's inside.
You want to?
Yes.
You want to open it?
Let's do it.
Well, first off, it's really cute. We've got like a little magazine,
got a little Venus on there.
going on. We got a gift card, $50 off of Hello Fresh.
Hello, it's fresh. It's
You want that one? You want that one?
I do.
Are we
yeah.
gonna,
Oh, we're gonna duke it out for what's inside the box.
Are we gonna be fighting?
You
can have that one. I'll let you actually have that one. All right, open it. Open it. Oh. Okay. First off, I see why we've got some Venus in there. This is a jump rope.
Oh, fun.
To keep us working out. I feel like a jump rope is really good if you're traveling, especially if you can't get out. You actually get a really good workout. So you want this one?
Sure. Yeah, I do. Well, now I've got 2. What do you want? Okay, let's see.
Okay.
I
see something colorful.
I see this.
Show me your moo-moo.
I love Show Me Your Moo-Moo. Here, why don't you open it because I've been hugging everything.
I love robes.
You do.
I
it's
love
gorgeous.
robes.
Very chic.
I love
Very
robes.
fancy.
This makes me so happy, and I love Show Me Your Moo-Moo.
Me too.
They're such a cute brand.
So cute.
And that's a full size. You know what? I feel like that alone is worth the box.
Yeah,
there we go. Box is worth it. I'm taking the robe.
Take it. Lots of stuff in here, guys. A Swell bottle.
Ooh,
for all
that's
my babes
different.
trying to save the environment.
Look, I love Swell bottles. I see Whey, and that's a great product. Leave-in conditioner. I bet
Susan,
you it
what's
smells.
that?
You can have it.
I bet it does smell really good.
I bet you
This
it
is a
smells
fun
beautiful.
brand. I have a lot of
love
their
that brand.
stuff too.
Yeah, it's a great brand. It's a great brand. This one's covered in
stuff.
plastic. Let's see. Okay. All right. This is going to end up being.
It's a scrub.
It is exfoliant champagne.
Okay, I'll trade you.
You want to? Hold on. Let me smell it. I might say okay, or I might keep it.
This is good stuff. Ooh, it's dark.
It does smell like champagne.
That's nice. That's
All
so
right.
nice. What brand is this?
It's Monica Dar.
Ooh, I don't know that brand.
It's a nice brand.
It's
I like
really
it.
nice. Come to mama here. Let me do a little
Ooh, it's very sugary.
sugar.
Sugar.
I want to get a little sugar.
It feels like it's like fizzy or something.
Like a little champs.
Yeah.
Like a little bubbly. It smells so good. This feels fancy. It feels expensive.
It does. It does.
Anything with champagne in it feels fancy.
It's very you.
Yeah.
Champagne is very you.
All right, well, here you go.
Thank you.
Teamwork makes the dream work, everybody.
It's true. I see something that says Wild Rose. And more importantly, it says vitamin C, which everyone knows that I love vitamin C. This is Korres. It's the Wild Rose Vitamin C Sleeping Facial.
Fun. These are 2 brands that I'm not familiar with.
You're not familiar with Korres? I love Korres. Korres is a very
I'm not
nice brand.
surprised that you know them though.
I want to smell
When
it.
would you put this on? At what
Sleeping.
step? In your
Last step.
Last step?
And then you go to bed.
It
It
go to
smells
beddy
nice.
bye. Oh, sorry. Let me put my lip in there. No, that smells good. Anything with rose.
Anything with rose, I know.
I know.
This is like luxury
Give
in
me
a
the
jar. Oh yeah, look at that.
Can I touch you
Yes,
here?
of course you can. Oh, nice and
That's
cool.
nice.
It just has this nice, it's a very subtle rose scent.
Yeah.
It smells like a wild rose, like not it's not like your old lady rose, it's like a nice rose.
Oh, that's so nice.
You know, some sleeping masks can be very like thick, where it's like you worry that it's gonna get all over your pillowcase or something, but this sinks right in.
Oh, that did sink in.
Ooh,
That's nice. Have it, you little vitamin C queen.
My vitamin C. I love me some vitamin C.
She does.
What's next, Sharzad?
I see something with my name all over it.
No more baggage?
It's eye depuffing gel. You guys know I'm cracked out because I got 2 kids and I'm always like, what day is it? What time is it? And my face gets puffy. Anything that promises to depuff my life makes me happy. So do you want to rock, paper, scissors for this
No, that's all you. I love Dr. Brandt though. I have to say it's a really great product line.
I know this brand.
It's a really good brand. And you know what else I'm noticing? I think these are all full-size products. Yeah, they are. They're full-size products. We were told they would be full-size products.
They are, in fact, full-size.
You know what else we were told is that you can customize some of the items too, so you can choose what you want to have in your box. You got to go to the website though.
This is a huge size. This isn't the samples that you get like at the cosmetics counter, and they're like, "Here's the sample."
It's not like it's like you really get to try it. Daddy. You know what? I'm trying to already form an opinion. And if everything's full size, then it's kind of worth the price because you would have paid full price for
obviously,
one of these.
I'm gonna go and Google the prices of everything later.
That's not what I expected it to be.
It's not at all what I expected.
Color, I thought it was gonna be like white for some reason, like a white cream.
It's gonna be like a gel. I'm gonna just put it right on. Oh, it feels good. It's cold, so I like that.
Yep. Oh, it's nice. It sinks in.
How do I look?
You look depuffed.
Yes.
There's one more product actually. This is Lavido.
Ooh, let's smell.
Body lotion, mandarin orange and bergamot. Want to smell it?
That sounds like a Susan-y scent.
Let's see.
Subtle scent, which is nice.
Yeah, no, that is really nice. I feel like I could use this on Nikosh too.
This is great. Thank you, darling.
Oh no, now you can really smell it.
It opened it up.
Yeah, it did.
You really opened it up right there.
It's really pretty.
Okay.
I like it. How's it sinking in?
That's so spring. Well, it doesn't feel like a thick, heavy lotion, like a nice lotion.
Oh, it feels like you could even use it as a hand lotion. It's nice. I like it.
Well, you can have it. I'll let you have that one.
I'm guessing all of this stuff is worth more than $200.
I think so too, and I'm also curious to see who made out better, me or you.
Okay, wait.
You gotta Google the price of all my
no matter
stuff.
what. Okay, so let's go. Show me your movie. I got my phone out.
Okay.
Ready.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's $84.
What?
You guys? I already think I made out. $84. So this robe already is worth more than the FabFitFun box. Cost.
Yeah, because it was $49.99.
Yeah, so the robe, and I love it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna wear it all the time. I wear robes every day. Okay, let's see what else. This lotion is $19.
Wow.
$26.
Nice.
The Sip by Swell bottle is about 15 bucks. $48.
Damn, Gina. So this one, 42.
That's a lot.
That's nice.
$42. Okay, Monica Dar. $24.
Okay.
Close. $24.
All right. I mean, even with just these two, we've exceeded the cost of the spring box.
It's true.
That's great.
And then the jump rope.
$15. Fancy jump rope.
But
I also
$50.
I don't know how you want to count this because it's $50 off.
For HelloFresh.
So that's kind of fun.
One meal is less than $50, so that means you've got more than one meal there.
True dat.
Yeah.
So I get fed, then I get to work it out. I won't be puffy, and I'm gonna be soft AF. So
total value was $323, which is way worth it. If you think about $49.99 for this box.
It's really fun if you want to try new products too, because these are, I know Susan knows a lot of different brands, but I didn't know a couple of these brands. So if you are somebody that wants to like learn about new products and have a fun little box show up and you don't know what's in it, or maybe you want to customize it.
It might be a great gift too, actually.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
If you're like, I don't know what to buy this person, get them a box.
I also like that it's only 4 times a year and as opposed to every month.
That
makes
sense.
I mean?
Yeah, actually I do like that it's seasonal. I like that it's all full-size stuff. The way, from what I understand, that these subscription boxes work, it tends to be a really good value for you because here's what's happening. These brands want you to know about them.
Right.
So they go ahead and work with the brand, like FabFitFun, to get you guys these products because they're hoping you're gonna like them. So you're gonna get products that are gonna be good because they're trying to make a really great first impression on you.
I think my favorite is gonna be this baby.
Yeah.
It smells so good, but it might be a toss-up between this too. Anything that promises to depuff me.
Yeah.
Sign me up so I'm not like, hi, I have 2 kids, you know?
I am so pumped about my robe. I love robes. I would have
so
spent the full price for the robe.
It's beautiful. It's so pretty. It's so springy too.
Yeah. So remember you guys, we got you a code, use the SASS and you'll get $10 off of your first box, which I think is awesome. I would sign up now if you want to get this box because it is the current spring box and our code works for this box in particular. So it's going to be $39.99 and you're going to get all of this amazing stuff. Customize it too if you want to. I think that's a really great value. I really do. You know what? I'm impressed by it, you guys. I hadn't done a subscription box for a while, and this has really come a long way from the original like subscription boxes of the day. Do
you guys do subscription boxes? Do you like them? What are your favorites? Let us know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of The Sass. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.